To add a debit card on Cash App, start by opening the application on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then select Link Banks from the menu. Next, tap on Link Bank and choose Debit Card from the options provided. You will then be prompted to enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Ensure that you enter the correct information to avoid any issues with the linking process. After entering your debit card details, Cash App will verify the information with your bank to ensure that the account is valid and active. This verification process may take a few seconds to complete. Once your debit card has been successfully linked, you will receive a confirmation message on the app. You can then use your debit card to send and receive money, pay bills, and make purchases through Cash App. It is essential to note that Cash App supports most major debit card providers, including Visa, MasterCard, and Discover. However, it is recommended that you check with your bank to confirm that your debit card is compatible with Cash App. Additionally, to ensure the security of your account, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication on your Cash App account. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access and potential fraud. By following these steps, you can easily add a debit card to your Cash App account and start using the app to manage your finances. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of Cash App and your bank to understand any applicable fees and transaction limits.